Welcome to today's meditation. During our training, you may often notice that a thought suddenly arises in your mind, or an old memory flashes by unexpectedly. Without realizing it, your awareness can be carried away by that thought or memory for quite a long time. At moments like this, there is no need to suppress or resist the wandering thoughts. Simply observe them from the perspective of a neutral witness. The thoughts in your mind are like the flow of traffic on a highway. Sometimes we get pulled into the stream of cars. Sometimes we try to step forward and stop the traffic. In reality, we only need to sit quietly by the side of the road and watch the cars pass by. From this calm perspective, we can gently bring our attention back to the present moment. Now, just as you did yesterday, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed and settle into a comfortable seated position. You may rest your hands gently on your thighs. With a soft gaze, look forward. Then, slowly adjust your posture so that you feel both alert and relaxed. Not too stiff, not too slouched. Simply straighten your back gently. Let's begin with a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale through your mouth. At the end of your next exhale, slowly close your eyes. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, breathing gently in and out through the nose. Now, feel the contact between your body and the chair, your hands resting on your thighs, and your feet resting on the ground. Take a moment to carefully observe the sensation of your breath. Is it deep or shallow? Long or short? Notice where you feel the breath most clearly. It may be at the tip of your nose, in your abdomen, or in your chest. If it helps, you can gently place one hand on your belly and feel the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Now, we will begin counting the breaths from 1 to 10. Silently label each breath with a number. As you inhale, count 1. As you exhale, count 2. Then 3, 4. When you reach 10, simply begin again at 1 and continue in this way. If you notice your mind has wandered, that's completely normal. Simply and gently bring your attention back to the breath. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Then 3. Now, release any focus on the breath. Give your mind some free space. Let it do whatever it wants. Allow your thoughts to come and go freely. Next, bring your attention back to the space around you. Feel the contact between your body and the chair, your hands on your thighs, and your feet on the ground. Take a moment to listen to the sounds in your surroundings. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Before you stand up, sit quietly for a few more moments. Notice any difference in how your body feels compared to before the practice. During today's meditation, were you able to let go of distracting thoughts or emotions a little more quickly? If you still found it difficult to stay focused and noticed a lot of wandering, there's no need to worry. This is a skill that takes time and regular practice to develop. At this stage, simply follow the guidance and allow yourself to relax as much as possible. This concludes today's training. See you in the next session.